Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little autumnal vlog / reset routine to help you get in the autumn mood and show you how I reset for cozy season. First things first, to say hello to autumn, you have to bid a proper farewell to summer. My family and I went to the beach, I think in the first or second week of September, while the weather was still really nice and warm. We had a great time, and of course I vlogged it, so if you're missing summer, you can go check out that video as well. Now, to settle into the cozy autumn vibe, first I'm sharing a little recipe with you. This is the first comforting soup I made as the weather started getting colder. It's a ciorbă de perișoare. This is a classic Romanian sour soup with meatballs in it, and those meatballs are called perișoare. In Romania, we distinguish between a supă, which is a regular soup, and a ciorbă, which is a sour soup. Most of the time, that sour flavor comes from borș, or in some cases vinegar or some other sour element. Up next, we're pulling out some seasonal decorations for autumnal / Halloween vibes. We love teddy bears and stuffed animals in this house, so we have these super cute little figurines that I just love to see every time they come out of the attic around autumn. And I also did some deep cleaning. I organized the attic this week and cleaned the windows, which we usually only do about once a season. Aside from resetting my physical space, I also like to reset myself as the seasons change. I bought this set of gel nail polish from Model Ones. This is their Hello Autumn collection. It's a super pretty palette of reds, oranges, browns, deeper greens, and purples. I'm definitely having a lot of fun changing up my nails every few weeks with these shades. My hair was also in much need of a fresh coat of paint. Recently, I've been using the Sias Aleo Intense 577, which is a deep reddish copper, but for the fall season, I decided to switch things up a bit. I wanted to bleach a money piece into my hair for a little bit of visual interest. It turned out super white at the roots, but the rest was still a little yellow because I couldn't fully bleach out all the previous layers of red-orange dye, but I'm not mad at it. And for my color for the rest of my hair, I went with the Sias 777, which is more of an orangey copper than the 577, and a little lighter and more natural looking than my usual shade. Overall, I'm super happy with how the hair turned out. My family and I actually went to a classical concert in Hamburg the other night, and when we were at a stoplight on the way back home, this guy was just walking down the sidewalk and saw me through the car window and kind of just yelled, "I like your hair!" So I'd say it was a pretty successful hair transformation. Something else I did for my personal reset was to do some clothes shopping. That haul will be coming up in another video if I haven't posted it already. During last year's colder months, I noticed that I was spending too much time in sweatpants and really frumpy clothes because I didn't have any other warm clothes that fit me, and it was really affecting my confidence. So while I don't think you need to buy a whole new wardrobe to reset for a new season, for me it was something that I felt I really needed to do, and I already feel so much better because of it now that I can wear warm and comfy outfits that also look good and complement my body. Continuing on, I've made it a goal to get back into reading during this last quarter of 2023, so I bought myself a few books to work my way through. I know reading fiction is usually regarded as being more cozy and fall appropriate, and I definitely hope to read some good fiction too, so leave some recommendations below for me if you have any. But for now, the first few books I picked out are more in the self-improvement category. I've got The Now Habit, which is about overcoming procrastination with self-compassion. The Unfair Advantage, which teaches you how to best leverage the advantages you already have to help you succeed in life and business. And Originals, which really appealed to the nonconformist and rebellious spirit in me. Last but not least, you can't do autumn without baked goods. I'm still waiting for my boyfriend to make cinnamon rolls with me because he has a great recipe for them and they always turn out so good. But we started the autumn off with this quick and easy box cake, which was really delicious as well. Thank you for joining me here today. I hope this video brought some cozy, comforting vibes and gave you some inspiration for getting in the autumn mood with some activities and self-care. I'm super excited to make the most of the autumn season, so feel free to subscribe to stick around for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.